Think gravity always wins. Think again. Today, we're diving into the mind-bending world of acoustic levitation, where sound makes the impossible real. Ready for number 5. Sound waves can literally make objects float in midair. We're talking defying gravity, with no strings, no magnets, just pure, focused sound pressure. It's like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. At number 4, did you know NASA uses this tech? They use acoustic levitation to simulate zero gravity, creating perfectly spherical materials for their experiments right here on Earth. Coming in at number 3, it gets even crazier. Scientists can levitate living things. They've successfully floated ants and even tiny fish in invisible sound bubbles, completely unharmed. For number 2, this technology is revolutionizing medicine. Drug companies use it to mix and create ultra-pure medications, avoiding any contamination from touching a container. And the number 1 most mind-blowing fact, ancient legends whisper that the pyramids were built using sound. For centuries, it was dismissed as myth, but with what we now know about acoustic levitation, some researchers are starting to wonder, could it actually be true? What do you think? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing science.